వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ ఆఫ్టర్ షార్ట్ బ్రేక్. తెలంగాణ అసెంబ్లీ బడ్జెట్ సమావేశాలు కొనసాగుతున్నాయి. గవర్నర్ తమిళిసై సౌందరరాజన్ ప్రసంగిస్తున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Accidental insurance for journalists, home guards, construction labor, drivers, etc. Mission Bhagirath scheme. Telangana is the only state government which is providing safe and pure drinking water through pipes and taps to every household. This is the only government which constructed MLA offices. The only government that is providing meal to the hostel students cooked with fine rice. Telangana is the only state where mobile clinics for animals are arranged and vehicles for carrying dead bodies, known as Parampada, are made available. The only state which recognized Kanti Velugu program and conducted eye tests for its citizens. Telangana is the only state government which abolished transport tax for autos and tractors, and only government that is providing pollution allowance to the traffic police and risk allowance to the security wing for police. This is the only state where illicit liquor sale and consumption is totally eradicated and closed down all the playing card clubs. This is the only state which banned gambling. The only state that is protecting women with formation of their she teams, and the only state which is setting a police command control center with international standards. This is the only state government which provided free registration facility to the poor through GO number 58. The list is endless, and these are all proof of the state's vision and its visionary leadership. State then and now. The Telangana, which in the past was ridden with starvation, deaths and suicides, is now shining with hope, glory and happiness. The agriculture sector, which was regarded as a wasteful profession, is now a profitable vocation with lot of prosperity and festivity. The irrigation projects, which were confined to the paper, have now become a reality and providing the much needed water for cultivation. The arid lands then are now turned into irrigation lands. The state came out of darkness and is now marching towards becoming a power surplus state. The region which was thirsting for a drop of drinking water is now getting pure and safe drinking water through pipes and taps every day to every household. The people who lost their faith in the government hospitals have now regained their faith and confidence in government hospitals. Continuous efforts are put in for a healthy Telangana. The quality education, which was not within the reach of poor, is now available to them without spending even a paisa. The hostel students are enjoying their meal with fine rice and are happily pursuing their studies. With the government itself coming forward to help the poor families in performing their daughter's marriage, there is happiness, joy and satisfaction among those families with girl child is born, when a girl child is born. In the past, the public sector undertakings were put up for auction, whereas now the PSUs are getting strengthened all by themselves and help and support from the state government. The roadways, which were called the roads to hell, are now safe to travel and are known for the comfortable drive. The field level staff who used to get meager wages are now getting reasonably good, respectable salaries and leading their lives with dignity and comfort. The Gram Panchayats and municipalities, which used to starve for funds, are now getting funds every month without fail. Then eggs, vegetables, fish, mutton, fruits, milk were imported from other states, whereas now the Telangana state have come to a stage whereas it is on the verge of exporting them. Then the district headquarters were located at a long distance, and now they are within the reach of common man. Then industries were closed on regular intervals, while now more and more industries are coming to the state. Then curfews were order of the day. Now there is total peace and harmony everywhere. This is the difference between the Telangana then and Telangana now. Rededication in the service of the people. This is the amazing development growth achieved by my government. My government is striving forward with mammoth confidence by overcoming the anti-progressive elements who intend to create obstacles to this development. Telangana is the only state in the entire country which is implementing innovative schemes in many sectors. It stood at the top place among the progressive states in the entire country in distributing the fruits of progress to all sections of people. These are not my words, but central government has announced this on many instances through many reports. This matter is being acknowledged by many national and international organizations of repute. This development and welfare yagna will continue, and many more steps will be taken with humanitarian perspective so that the fruits of progress will reach all the downtrodden sections in the society on priority basis. I hereby inform one and all that my government is rededicating itself to achieve this objective. I would like to conclude with a couplet from the immortal Tirukkural of the legendary Saint Thiruvalluvar, which truly reflects the present state of Telangana. Perumporulal Pettagadagi Arunketal Aatra Vilaivadu Nadu, which means a state which has abundant wealth, absence of calamity, and never failing harvest make a good state. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana.